This is a fantastic, this is a new brand that we've just got in.
Yep.
A new line of products.
What are we doing?
Talk a new product.
What's a new product?
Yeah.
Heaps.
What's a new product?
What are we going to start with?
Over your shoulder, mate.
Oh,
I had this set up for you.
how good is this?
Rubyx World. This is a fantastic, this is a new brand that we've just got in.
Yep.
A new line of products. And that is textile car bags, gear bags. I won't say car bags because we actually took my whole pit setup to Baronia and
Everything. Tools,
charger, tires,
liquids, everything.
you know what I mean?
Mm.
Let's have a look what's inside. So
Yeah,
they've got
we
a
can
really,
open.
really nice zipper. These would make not a fabulous Christmas present,
For sure.
but like I said, you can use them for anything. Chargers, lipos. It's got a strap in there.
What do you got in yours?
My one?
Yep.
My one comes well equipped.
Oh.
I've actually turned the transmitter on.
I've
Here we go. Gotta drive careful because the
Why?
car's going to drive way up the back.
got a transmitter there as well.
So this one has a 10px. That does not come with the bag.
No, but
that's how good they
perfectly
fit.
do they fit?
That's right. Let's go to Overhead Town and have a look.
Maybe get that.
We're probably a bit tight like a tiger on the top one. You didn't get on the top.
Open it up a bit.
Yeah. There we go. So we've got the bag. Like I said, a beautiful gunmetal grey finish. Really, really nice. Look at the
logo
texture on
there.
it. Look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's a very tight weave, isn't it?
Yeah, tight nylon weave.
Yep.
We've got beautiful piping, black piping around the edges.
Yep.
So it's not going to get scuffed on the corners.
Yep.
Got a beautiful teal zipper, which is really, really nice and feels like really good quality.
Yep.
We've got a little clear spot on the side so you can put what's in there.
Yeah, you
For
can label it
example,
or you can put your name
Name
on it.
and because you probably have one for your 10px, one
Yes.
for your shock oils,
Yes.
or whatever. So when they're on the shelf, you can see what they are.
Yep.
What have we got on the back? The back's nice and plain with piping. On the bottom, it's double skinned. Again,
Yep.
keeping it super strong.
Yep.
Inside the transmitter one, we've got 6mm foam.
Yep.
So that's internal rubberized foam. So that gives it a really good body.
Makes it stackable.
Makes it stackable for
Yeah.
sure. You know, it's quite sturdy. And inside, my favorite feature
The Velcro, eh?
is the Velcro.
Keeps everything tight as a tiger.
That's right. So 10px, which is a fairly big radio. You know what I mean? Like, and you strap that in. Now, of course, you don't have to use a strap, but it just gives you that added level of protection.
Well, I guess it stops it from flapping about, right?
That's right. And it's not anywhere near the throttle trigger, which is nice because you don't want that to be in there. Put the strap in there.
Yep.
And off you go. You can see how well it fits.
Yep.
There's not big enough for it to slide around in the bag.
Yes.
You know, you wouldn't want to go dropping it. I wouldn't say it's, you know,
No,
like
but
crash
it's-
protection.
No, but it's safer than having it loose, isn't it?
That's right.
Yep.
And especially like, well, you know what I'm thinking, like at the big races where you've got to put your car and your transmitter into scrutineering or on a table.
Yep.
As soon as you come down, you're not allowed back to your pits. And the last thing you want to do is leave your $1,000 radio just on the table. Somebody knock it off or whatever.
Yep.
Come back to it broken or the settings changed.
Yep.
So really, really cool idea. You could just have that. You could take that to the track and you put it on the table before the race. Boom. After the race, put it in there. Job done.
For sure. So, I mean, this is what it's been designed around, but it doesn't mean that this is all you can fit in here because we fit so many different things in there.
No. Turkey
So
sandwiches.
Turkey sandwiches. I've got a couple of bentos in there.
Yep.
You know, your box of sushi.
Sushi.
Yep. A roast chicken will fit in there.
A roast chicken will fit.
Yep.
Roast chickenized.
Yep.
And
You
the
could get
foam
some-
will probably insulate it and
It
keep it
would,
warm.
or keep it warm, and then you have another one. You have your drinks in it.
You've got both bases covered.
That's right, and it'll keep them cool.
Look at the big handle.
Yep.
Really nice, comfy to carry.
Yep.
And also, I didn't mention it's got an internal pocket in the front.
Yes.
So that's really good for you. I think your one's got a strap in there.
Yeah. So you put your little bottles of condiments.
What condiments? Oh, for picnics.
Yeah, that's right.
Sorry.
Put your cutlery in there.
You can put your transmitter strap.
Yep.
Let's not be, you know what I mean? It is a transmitter bag.
Oh, sorry.
It's a gear bag.
That's right.
Really, really cool. Oh,
And very versatile.
And the zippers have got these big finger hooks, finger loops.
Yes.
So no more fiddling around. If you've got big fat fingers like me,
Yeah, just hook it around.
good as
Off
gold.
you go.
Rubyx bags. Let's
Yep.
go back to Front Town.
Well, that's a little one.
That's the little one.
Yeah.
It's got a bigger brother, hasn't
It
it?
has.
Or sister, whichever way you look at it.
Yep. A bigger sibling. Oh.
Have a look at this guy. Again.
Oh.
Oh, look at. Beautiful construction. 6mm foam again. Really is very stackable. So you can have a couple of these and stack them on top. You wouldn't usually do that with your RC cars, would you? You wouldn't stack them on top.
No, you wouldn't be able to do that.
So that is really, really cool. Again, everything the same. It's got the beautiful motif on the front there, Rubyx World. Beautiful color, nylon. A good thing about this one is it's got the straps on the back.
Yes.
So that will attach to your, if you're using a pit hauler,
yep,
you can attach it to your pit hauler either by the Velcro straps or through the handle even.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
That's right.
Usually when you're dragging it along, you can stack it up on the handle, one on top, one underneath. So that's really cool. And size-wise, it's really big.
What do you got in there?
What's in this one?
Oh.
This has got a TCR in it.
Yep.
So again, it's got the Velcro strap, which is really good. Holds the car in there.
Yep.
Get this one out.
There you go. So you get an idea of how deep it is.
Yep.
Yep.
How sturdy.
That's right. It's got a little foam in there. You can see how it's keeping the shape here.
Yep. And they are really, really good, aren't they? I'm super excited.
Definitely very handy.
You know, I love my racing thing.
How many of us just carry our cars loose?
Oh,
I mean,
rolling around the back. That's right.
That's right.
Rolling around the back seat, even at home. You know,
Yep.
what a great storage solution.
Yep.
And if you've got, and if off-road you think,
what's
again,
in there? An on-road car?
I don't know what's in here. What's in this one? Oh, this
right.
one. Oh, which camera? You've changed on me.
Too fast for you.
It's got an off-road car.
Yep.
So a 1/10 off-road buggy, wing and all.
Yep.
Will
Fits
fit
no
in.
problem.
You know, nothing's getting squashed.
Yep.
You know, you probably wouldn't, unless you got new tires on, you wouldn't want to fill it with dirt and stuff with the dirty tires.
Yep.
But this one has got obviously tires on it. Fits straight in. Really good width,
Yep.
size. You know, because buggies are the worst, especially when they're dirty in your car.
Well, that's right.
Stick it in there.
Yep.
Put the strap on. Off you go.
How good is it? There we go.
All we need to do is put a label on it, lick the stamp and send it.
Yep.
There's a very good friend of mine
Really?
that might get one of these for his birthday.
Oh.
I don't know. I'm not saying names.
No names?
No names.
You know, my birthday just passed.
Did it? Well, you might get one too.
Excellent. It was a couple of months ago. So,
that is Rubyx World bags.